I'm Steve from CeMee CNC, and this particular machine is based on our machine, the Rostock Max. This is showing what you can do with a totally tricked out Rostock Max. This is the DIY kit that we sell, and right now I'm getting started on a first print on this machine, so we'll see how well it goes. We started making these about 6 months ago, and it's an open source DIY 3D printer kit. It's a Delta machine.
A Delta machine?
Yes, Delta. Parallel arm kinetic robot.
Okay. And what's the terminology used for other of these 3D printers?
Well, the other 3D printers are like a standard Cartesian, the 3-axis mill type, has X and Y and Z gantry, or there's lots of variations in the construction of them, where this has the 3 parallel delta arms.
What benefits does this give you?
The biggest benefit these type of printers give you is the print is stationary.
Okay.
And the resolution on our machine, theoretical, about 20 micron. What you see, a 40-50 micron in your print is possible. We typically print around 200 micron or 0.2 millimeter step-ups, and with a standard nozzle is a 0.5 millimeter diameter nozzle, like a lot. A 0.35 millimeter nozzle gives much more resolution, and you know, it's all in what the user wants to do with the printer.
What's this machine called again?
This is called the Rostock Max by CeMee CNC.
MSRP on this device?
$999 on our website, CemeeCNC.com.
And this is the example of everything all out.
This is it. The green machine on my right here. This is the example of our first company making some awesome upgrades. The carbon fiber arms, different laser cut arms, laser cut parts, excuse me, the green trimmed out paint on the laser cut parts. They will, even for another $1,000, $2,000, tricklaser.com will put the machine together for you.
Oh really? So it's like $3 grand out the door?
No, it'd be $2
grand. Okay, okay. And so if I have like a SolidWorks file, I can just feed it to this?
SolidWorks, you export the .stl, like most of them. You have a Repetier firmware. So using Johnny Ultra Machine Rambo control board, which is like the Cadillac of 3D printer boards in open source for the open source world. You have the Repetier host software controlling the 3D printer. You add an object.
Do you carry those pots?
My mouse is stuck here. Okay. You'll add an object, which what I'm starting to print on here. I added the TE.
First name on the board?
And it looks like this device can allow you to print very tall objects.
Yes, it's about 11-inch diameter build area by 14.5 inches tall.
Wow. Okay. And what about calibration? Do you have to calibrate this often? It seems like there's a lot more moving parts.
No, the most favorite part of this machine also, besides the stationary print, is the calibration. You have a screw, 3 screws, 3 identical linear axes. You have a screw here that comes up and hits the limit switch. So you adjust these 3 screws to bring your print, your nozzle in level with the heated bed, your belt surface rather, and then to take out the crown or cup, which is in a Delta style printer, you do that in the software.
Interesting.
It's very quick to calibrate. It's very quick to calibrate. There is actually code in the firmware that can allow the machine to auto-calibrate. That will come.
Is this maximum speed that we're seeing here?
Oh no, absolutely not. This is probably 1/3 as fast as the machine can.
Okay.
So is the mechanism